Take a slow, comfortable breath in and gently exhale. Breathe in again easily, allowing your shoulders to soften, your body to sink into the piece of furniture that's supporting you, or the earth that is underneath you. Allowing your shoulders to soften as you gently exhale and inhale in a rhythm that feels just right for you. Feel yourself release any tension you've been carrying, allowing yourself to fully settle into this moment. There's nowhere you need to be except right here. Now, I'd like to invite you to imagine a tree. You don't have to worry about choosing the right tree. There's no such thing. Just notice the first tree that comes to mind. It may be a tree from your childhood. It could be a tree outside your bedroom window right now. Perhaps it's a tree at your favorite park, or one that you pass on your morning walk. Or perhaps it's a tree you haven't thought about in many years. Trust the first tree that gently presents itself to your awareness. Allow yourself to become curious about why this particular tree appeared to you today. Take a moment to really see and feel and be with this tree being. Noticing its shape, its branches, the way it reaches toward the sky while remaining deeply rooted in the earth. Imagine yourself walking toward this tree. Slowly, there's no rush. As you come closer, notice how it feels to be in its presence. Every tree carries a unique expression. Some feel ancient. Some feel playful. Some are steady. Some are joyful. Some seem to radiate a quiet strength that asks nothing of us except that we slow down long enough to notice. Stand in front of this tree now in your imagination and take a slow breath together. Imagine that as you inhale, you receive the oxygen this tree so generously offers. And as you exhale, you offer the carbon dioxide that nourishes the tree in exchange For a few gentle breaths, simply experience this beautiful, perfect reciprocity. Giving, receiving, without effort. Notice that this relationship has always existed. Perhaps this tree has been quietly supporting your life for years, asking nothing in return. If it feels natural, imagine placing your hand against the trunk, feeling the texture beneath your palm. Imagine the countless seasons this tree has witnessed. Storms, droughts, heavy winds, brilliant spring mornings, quiet winter evenings. Year after year, it has remained. Not unchanged, but continually growing, continually adapting, continually becoming. Take a moment to appreciate everything this tree has lived through. And now, with a genuine curiosity, silently ask, what would you like me to know today? Listen deeply. Perhaps you receive words, perhaps an image, perhaps a memory or a feeling. Perhaps you simply experience the peace of standing with this remarkable living being. All of these are beautiful ways of listening and attuning. As you receive the tree's response to your question, you may find that another question naturally arises. Go ahead and ask that now. One example might be, what quality do you embody that I could cultivate in my own life? Another example might be, how might I become more deeply rooted while still growing toward the light? Allow yourself to receive. Before you leave your presence with this tree, place a hand over your heart. Through the silence and love of your heart, thank this tree for sharing its presence with you and for the many countless gifts it has offered throughout its life. Know that this relationship does not end when this meditation is over. The next time you encounter this tree in your everyday life or in your imagination and memory, pause, even if for a few seconds. Notice what you notice. Your quiet attention may reveal that what once seemed like an ordinary tree has become one of your teachers. Take a nice, deep, easy breath in. And as you exhale, feel your own roots extending into the earth beneath you. Feel your own heart reaching toward the light above. Remember that, like the tree, you are held between earth and sky. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, and slowly open your eyes. Carry the presence and steadiness of your tree friend with you wherever your day may lead.